Hey, welcome back to DoSE Workshop. Today we're not really making anything. I've been doing some painting over there. I'm just waiting for it to dry, so I don't want to kick up too much dust. But what we do need to do is drink my iced coffee and install a part into the 3D printer. So the 3D printer started throwing up an error, MCU error, and Qt quickly sent through the parts required to fix it, or to hopefully fix it. So we just need to jump in, pull apart the print head, reinstall some boards in there, and then run a master cable back to the motherboard. Hopefully it's easy. I don't think it's too hard. But it's the first time I'm going to be opening up a 3D printer, so I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time. Now, a lot of people say that the Qt plus 4 is unreliable. It could be, who knows. All I know is that when I did my research for 3D printers, every single one of them had some type of problem that I was going to have to deal with. Whether that be the architecture, whether that be a couple of little niggly problems that you can address, some mods you have to make to get it running right. This one was a great price for the size. I was fully aware of all of the little issues that could have gone wrong, but for the price, I couldn't, say no. So we're just dealing with it. And I think it's part of owning machines. Machines and things is maintenance. And sometimes things break, and sometimes they need to be repaired. And here we are. I know that by the fact I own this old car. I mean, I doubt a 3D printer is going to be around for as long as that car has been, but you kind of get my drift. Hopefully. Let's just install parts. And that part was a little tricky. There's actually one little tiny clip there which holds the whole back on, and I had to watch a YouTube video to find it. As you are watching a YouTube video, there's a slight, you can see a little bit of a very, you won't be able to see it in this light maybe, there's a very slight like printing imperfection right here, and it's kind of in line with the middle of the fan if you're ever looking for it, and you have to get a screwdriver in there and just push that out, and then the whole thing comes apart. It was very hard to find until I watched another video. The instructions say to unpeel this tape here to get the cable out, but it's really sticky, and I'm having trouble finding the end of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the tape, unpick it, and then replace it with some Captain tape, which is probably better for it anyway. Oh, so sticky. Clean it up with some isopropyl. So I'm going to replace it with this, which is Captain tape. It's like high quality, heat resistant sticky tape, designed by NASA, apparently. I'm willing to believe that. All right, first part is done. Here's our replacement part. One cable. New screws in case we need them. Let's plug it in. One part of the board out. Second part of the adapter board. Okay, side one in. I'm gonna go get some food and come back and do the second part. One of the things I've learned about making is that it's important to take breaks. Sure, you want to push through and you will just want to get it done, especially if you're, at a deadline. But that's where mistakes happen. So I'm more than happy to take a break, have some food, have a drink, and get back to it. Now you've probably seen Captain tape before. It's got this yellowy tinge to it. It's K-A-P-T-O-N, not C-A-P Captain. It's C-A-P-T-A-I-N. Less nautical Captain, more... I don't know what it stands for. Awesome. Done. Secure. There, I think. Okay. Plugged in there. All done up there. Now we need to put the housing on and test it. I think it's all right. No, I'm positive. That's a good sign. Looks like it's working. All right. Well, good so far. Good so far. Let's try running a print. Actually, let me reset everything, clean the bed, and then we'll try a print. Looks good. Seems to work. I would maybe call that repaired. We'll run a few tests over the next couple of days, but for now, I want to call that repaired. So thank you, Cutie, for sending me the parts. I mean, it was under warranty, so that was kind of a given anyway. But I'm glad it's working again. We can get moving on some things, exactly like the print there that you saw. That'll be another part of something else I want to work on in the next video maybe. But that's it. I'm done. I'm hot. It's been a big day. But go look after yourselves. Go make something. And I'll catch you soon. Bye.